Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Kia Soul without keys. Losing your keys can be frustrating, but modern technology offers a convenient solution. If your Kia Soul is equipped with Kia Connect or UVO services, you can use the dedicated smartphone application to remotely unlock your doors. This method is quick, secure, and often the easiest first step when you find yourself locked out. Just make sure your subscription is active and your phone has a good signal. If the app isn't an option, a manual method involves using a wedge and a long-reach tool. First, gently insert a plastic or inflatable wedge into the top corner of the driver's side door frame. Inflate or push the wedge to create a small opening, typically about 1/2 to 1 inch wide. Then, carefully slide a long, non-marring rod through the gap to reach the interior door lock button or handle. Exercise caution to avoid damaging the paint or weather stripping. When DIY methods seem too risky or don't work, professional help is always a reliable choice. A certified automotive locksmith has specialized tools and expertise to unlock your Kia Soul without causing damage. Many roadside assistance programs, often included with your insurance or vehicle warranty, also offer lockout services. Be prepared to show proof of vehicle ownership to ensure a smooth and legitimate service experience. They can usually arrive within 30 to 60 minutes. To prevent future lockouts, consider a few proactive measures. Always keep a spare key in a safe, accessible place, perhaps with a trusted friend or family member. Regularly verify that your Kia Connect or UVO services are active and your app is updated. For a quick emergency solution, a magnetic hide-a-key box can be discreetly placed on the vehicle's undercarriage, offering a backup without needing a phone or professional help. Stay prepared and avoid the stress of being locked out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.